Hepatization is conversion into a substance resembling the liver, a state of the lungs, when gorged with effused matter, so that they are no longer pervious to the air. Red hepatization is when there are red blood cells, neutrophils, and fibrin in the pulmonary alveolus alveoli. It precedes gray hepatization, where the red cells have been broken down, leaving a fibrinosuppurative exudate. The main cause is lobar pneumonia. Further reading. Lectures on the Diseases of the Lungs and Heart by Thomas Davies. Medical Times 1841. London Medical Gazette, December 8, 1843.